Morning, my buddies, subscribers and likers and all the hikers. You could remember that video I showed you of my back porch in the night with the swamp music. Now look at this. This is now a few months later. It's all open. I took out all that scraps and stuff that was blocking everything here. Look how nice and open is it. That's the back of the garage. Here's my stoop. Here's my braai area. You could remember all that khaki boss and stuff that were here. Look how nice and open it is now. Grass, you can see the grass. There's my chickens. All my chickens, they lay nice eggs. And the eggs, the yolk is yellow. I'll let them come out during the day, but you can see where my hose are laying, the hose pipe, because this is the border. Because here I got some pumpkin planted, and I got my potatoes there, and I got some seeds to plant out, and I have my carrot bedding there. So it's nice and open here now. Let's see if we can see the mountain. Go this side. There's the mountain. Bucket list mountain. I'm gonna summit that mountain, and I'm gonna wave for my mother all the way from the top to here. Hello. But yeah, this is my backyard, the Tsitsikamma rainforest. Now we debarked that tree because that one must go, because it's too close to the house and it's a fire hazard, and it's a tall boy. The local also, they cut it for firewood. So there's one. They cut it for firewood. The cattle roam here at the back. Here's some pastures. Yeah, and here's my pumpkins. Here's my pumpkin. There's a pumpkin. Here's another one. It's the green Herbert squash pumpkin, because you don't get them here in the towns, in the shops. I don't know why. I like Herbert squash. See, there's another one. There's my oh, this is also Frikkie. Frikkie the scarecrow. Hi Frikkie. Next time I will plant my potatoes in tires, so you can build them up. Look how long they are. I could have gotten so many potatoes, but to cover this with soil, take a ton of soil. Okay, but you can see how nice and open it is now. It's livable here at the back. There's my clothing wire, all nice and open. What a big difference. But yeah, it took a few months because I was busy with the guest house in the front. So now that is finished. Now I can spend more time here at the back also and do off-the-grid living. Plant my own fruits and vegetables. Okay, my people, my dudes and dudettes, we'll keep you posted.